Hi friends, let us understand what are the powers of the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal and what are the types of appeals that can be filed before the ITAT Tribunal. First of all, there are various powers of the ITAT. For example, the powers to restore the appeal, the powers to recall the order, powers of remand, and also powers of rectification, powers to restore the ex parte order, and powers to punish for the contempt. So there are various powers that the ITAT tribunal has. Now, when we any assessee approaches against the order of the CIT appeal and that order to be challenged before the ITAT. So before the ITAT Income Tax Appellate Tribunals, there are numerous applications to be filed before ITAT Tribunal. Number one, like tax appeal. So tax appeal, any types of tax appeal under the income tax can be filed before the ITAT. Now the stay applications, when there is a demand, so assessee can apply for the stay on that demand before the ITAT as well. And the memorandum of cross objections can be filed before the ITAT. If you want to understand what is a memorandum of cross objections means, suppose in a CIT bill or in the during the assessment procedures, if assessee has agreed to accept to the some text, and assessee hope that the department will not go against that when they both are agreed on the same point. In that situations, and if the appeal is filed either by the revenue side or the assessee side, then in that case the memorandum of cross objection can be filed by the either side. So when we go for to file the appeal before the ITAT, there are numerous factors to be considered before filing the ITAT. Number one, that when we file the ITAT, then Section 253 of the Income Tax Act deals with the appeal to be filed before the ITAT, the during time period. So any appeal under the income tax before the ITAT to be filed within a period of 60 days. If what will happen if the 60 days expires, in spite of expiring the limitation period, assessee can approach to ITAT, and if there is a genuine reason, ITAT may admit an appeal even after the expiry of the period. To get more information related